Today is October 8, 2022. On September 28, Hurricane Ian hit southwest Florida hard and caused historic storm surge. Ian made landfall in Lee County as a Category 4 hurricane. The Naples Pier was heavily damaged and will have to be rebuilt. Park Shore in Naples was heavily damaged with storm surge. Many homes and lower floor condos were affected. The historic downtown 3rd Street district of Naples was flooded and the streets and parking lots covered with sand and mud from the Gulf. The downtown 5th Avenue area fared much better with many of the shops and restaurants now open. The Naples inland areas fared pretty well with minor wind damage. Electricity has been restored in most inland areas. The coastal areas of Naples had major damage with many homes and condos either destroyed or heavily damaged. Thousands of cars and trucks have been destroyed by flood water. Sadly, many people are displaced because of the massive flood damage in all of southwest Florida. Power and internet still has not been restored to some of these coastal areas. The Fort Myers area suffered heavy damage from the hurricane. Storm surge and Category 4 hurricane winds caused major flooding in downtown Fort Myers, Cape Coral, Fort Myers Beach, Sanibel Island, Pine Island, and all coastal areas. Many homes were washed away on the barrier islands, leaving many homeless with some unfortunately losing their lives. The Sanibel Causeway was partially washed away and a temporary bridge is being constructed. The bridge to Pine Island was destroyed and a temporary repair has now allowed traffic on and off the island. As our area already had low inventory of for-sale homes and high rents, the current horrific hurricane situation will certainly not help those seeking housing in the area. If you are seeking a buyer's agent and want to get more information on new construction in Southwest Florida, please contact Southwest Coast Realty. Remember, going straight to the builder without an experienced buyer's agent will most likely cost you in the long run. Thanks for viewing.